Hello everyone and welcome on this new weekly market analysis video from Go for More FX. This is Sam speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, please don't forget to join our free Telegram channel to receive all latest updates about the market. So my friends, as you can see that the Israel and Iran war scenarios are going on and effective to the market very badly. But according to the technical picture of the market, if we are talking about according to H1 time frame, even 4-hour time frame, first of all, we are going to start from weekly time frame. From the perspective of weekly time frame, as you can see that the longer term trend is remain bullish and multiple war scenarios are still ongoing. And of course, until unless the scenarios will be over, or is there any, might be we can see a ceasefire deals, then might be gold will drop. But until unless gold still is in bullish trend, even gold is in overbought trend or overbought situation. So my friends, from the starting of weekly time frame, as you can see that we have a strong bullish candle on the weekly basis. You can say that the bullish engulfing or strong bullish candle. But for the upcoming week, we also still focus on war news, what happened between Israel and Iran over the weekend. So from the perspective of technical chart, the market is in still strong bullish trend right now according to the weekly time frame. But as you can see that there is a strong bullish channel maintained as well. But my friend, once the war scenario will be over, or might be we can see some ceasefire deal, after that we might expect some downward movement after breakout of this bullish channel. But that is the longer term scenario. And honestly speaking, I don't expect the sell side scenario, or in fact very strong selling right now. So we might see some further upward movement in the upcoming week or even a month, as markets still try to test all-time high of gold, which is held by, or which is due on 3500 level. And once market will break 3500 level, market will definitely further bullish, or market will try to test 3550 psychological digit, or market will try to test 3600 psychological digit. According to weekly time frame, we are still in the bullish channel and we are remains bullish. But if we comes to the D1 time frame, as well as D1 time frame bullish as well. But my friends, as you can see that we still have a multiple scenarios according to D1. If it comes to the D1 time frame, then you may notice that the trend line will be going with some flip mode. First, market break the trend line, and second, market just try to make some pennant type pattern or some symmetrical pattern formation for further upward continuation. But right now, as we have three consecutive candles closing still in the buy side, and right now for the shorter term perspective, according to D1 time frame, gold is still maintain the trend line. And obviously we have a strong resistance which is remain valid on 3500 psychological level. Also, that is our all-time high for now. But let's see market will break in the upcoming days or not. It's actually totally depends on the time behavior, or you can say that it's just the matter of time. But right now we have triple top resistance according to candles closing here. But I don't think so. That is much for now. For the upcoming week, we might see some eyes on this resistance zone for selling. Yes, with 3500 psychological level. We might see some sell position, or we may open some short positions from here, which is on 3500 level or 34902 3500 zone. Keep in mind as well. And of course, right now all eyes on 3450 psychological level breakout. Once market will break 3450 psychological level, then it will move towards 3500 or even try to make new high around 3560 and 70. So my friends, for the upcoming week, such as we have bunch of newses as well as FOMC meeting minutes due in the upcoming week as well. You can see that on Monday there are still some light events due in the day, but from the perspective of USD, the midterm news remain intact, as well as we have FOMC meeting minutes in the upcoming week. And of course, it's actually depends on time how Fed will rate cut scenario develop, or how Fed will try to cut the rates in the future. Of course, we will get some confirmations on FOMC meeting minutes as well as press conference or FOMC economic projections. On Tuesday, we have 2 USD high impact newses and bunch of slight newses due as well. On Wednesday, there is FOMC meeting minutes due, federal fund rate, economic projection, FOMC statement, press conference. All eyes on USD this event for now. So, highly advise you to take less risk and keep your account secure. On Thursday, there will be US bank holiday, but all other country markets are open. And on Friday, there are still some light news in the market on Friday. So come back to the chart, and as you can see that we will talk about D1 time frame confirmation. Right now we are going on H4 time frame, and let's plan the trade for the upcoming week. According to 4-hour time frame, market is in the strong bullish channel right now. As you can see that market is in bullish channel. So my advice for you is keep going with this bullish channel. Once market will break this bullish channel, then try to focus on sell side. Until and unless go with this channel and plan your trades between this channel. Highly advisable. As I already said, we will plan our first selling from the 3490 to 3500 psychological zone, and if market will provide us some respect or rejection on that zone, then we will enter in the selling with the target of 3360. And if markets comes down first and break over 3400 psychological digit, then we will enter below 3400 for selling, as well as gap still expected on the weekly opening, so keep an eye on it as well. So my friends, I hope that was helpful and informative to you. I would like to thank you for watching. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.